Businesses that had been staying open, including barbershops, spas, and salons, will now have to close. Despite the hardship for the owners of those businesses, many have been telling us that they will comply because they hope to help stop the spread of this dangerous virus. Tarek has more now on what is considered an essential service and what is not. Tarek?
You know, as painful as shutting down their business is, most of the people that we spoke with today say it's the right thing to do. Here's a breakdown of what will remain open and what will soon close.
If they shut us down, it's going to be kind of hard for me to pay my bills for my kids to go to school.
Blazing Cuts barbershop owner Mo Rodriguez just found out he has to shut his doors down indefinitely, starting 1 minute after midnight Friday. A move he says could create a hardship, but is willing to do it for the greater good.
Help our city, help our country, protect our brothers and sisters, especially our elders, because those are our mentors, those are our history. And if we lose our history, we kind of lose a piece of ourselves too, because the future is unpredictable. Mayor Curry's Safer at Home order directs all commercial and retail businesses that are not considered essential services to close until further notice. This includes nurseries like this one off of San Jose Boulevard, tattoo parlors, waxing salons, massage centers, bowling alleys, arcades, racetracks, children's play areas, tourist attractions, performing arts centers, and other non-essentials. What you may not realize is essential is your local dry cleaner and laundromat. Auto dealerships will remain open along with bicycle shops because they serve as primary means of transportation. Pharmacies and healthcare providers will keep their doors open, along with grocery stores, homeless shelters, banks and financial institutions, businesses providing mailing and shipping, airlines, taxis, and other private transportation providers. Landscape and pool care businesses can remain open, along with child care facilities. Pet supply stores, truck drivers, propane or natural gas companies, bottling plants, and other industrial services. Locals, for the most part, say Safer at Home is sacrificial but worth it.
I think it's a good thing they are shutting things down. Just leave the essential things open. And, I still think it's a good idea to wear masks, too.
Now, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security has created an all-encompassing list of essential services. To see that full list of what is considered essential, you can go to this story entitled What is Considered an Essential Business on news4jax.com, or this story right now.